is this? What kind of shit is this? What kind of shit is this? Smoking on them Swisher Sweets. What kind of shit is this?
What you mean?
This that motherfucking tree.
Spark it up.
You a motherfucking wannabe. What the fuck you mean? You ain't smoking on that Kush G. It's reeking out the whole crib. Oh fuck it, I'm doing my thing. I'm smoking loud. I'm smoking on that propane. I got that propane in my tank. I got the gas in my gas tank. Better make it make sense. If it don't make sense, then they can't make dollars. Pull up to the dollar store, I had to get the snacks. The $1 snacks. I heard the water around town. You got that Kush, you got the racks. Had to get my sack. I had to get my sack right. I had to do my thing. I had to get my bag right. I had to get my ones. I had to get my fives. I had to get my tens. I got them ones, man. I got them black and milds. Let me spark up this Kush, man. What you mean? I'm pulling up in that coupe. What you mean? I got the HD, the high definition tree. Smoking on that tree. I heard your ass a wannabe. Sipping on that 2 liter. And I got the wines G. Come through, I'm finna line you up real quick. Throw me my money, man, you got that sack real quick. That's about it. That's about it. I got you right. I'm finna pull up and take another flight.
I got that cash app. I got that cash app. I got
that shit's in rotation, man, for real. That shit's in rotation. You feel me? Cause if you don't feel me, I don't know what you're doing. Yup.